Hello everyone, welcome back to Naimesh Explores. Today we are heading deep into the lush, mystical Monteverde Cloud Forest Biological Preserve in Costa Rica. This incredible destination is home to an astonishing variety of wildlife, breathtaking landscapes, and thrilling adventures. Known for its lush rainforest set in the clouds, Monteverde offers a unique ecosystem filled with rare plants, exotic birds, and an ever-present mist that creates an almost dreamlike atmosphere. This high-altitude forest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, making it a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. We'll be exploring the famous hanging bridges and experiencing the ultimate adrenaline rush at Salvatura Park's ziplining course. So buckle up and let's begin. We just spent an amazing 3 days in La Fortuna enjoying the beauty of Arenal volcano, hot springs, and adventure activities. But today we're taking a road trip to Monteverde, a drive of about 3 hours. Let me tell you, this drive is both stunning and adventurous. The route offers breathtaking views of lush valleys, rolling hills, and small charming villages. However, be prepared, the roads are not for the faint-hearted. Some stretches are well paved, while others are filled with potholes and rough, unfinished gravel paths. The last hour of the drive is especially bumpy, making it feel like an off-road adventure. But trust me, the scenic beauty and the anticipation of what awaits in Monteverde make it all worth it. As you ascend into the highlands, you'll notice a change in the climate. The air gets cooler and the misty clouds begin to roll in, creating a mystical atmosphere. Along the way, you might encounter small roadside stands selling delicious Costa Rican coffee and local snacks, perfect for a quick break. The journey is not just about reaching Monteverde, it's about enjoying every moment of the drive, soaking in the stunning views, and embracing the adventure of traveling through one of the most scenic routes in Costa Rica. The winding roads through the mountains make it clear why Monteverde is considered a hidden gem, nestled high above sea level and offering a refreshing escape from the heat of the lowlands. Welcome to Monteverde. Good morning from Monteverde, the beautiful cloud forest here in Costa Rica. This place is truly magical, lush green and filled with mist that makes it feel like a scene from a fairy tale. Monteverde is a haven for nature lovers, offering an extraordinary blend of adventure and tranquility. The region is home to over 2,500 plant species, 100 species of mammals, 400 species of birds, and thousands of insects. This means that every step you take here is surrounded by the wonders of biodiversity. The Monteverde Cloud Forest is one of the most famous cloud forests in the world, known for its dense vegetation, hanging moss, and unique wildlife. Walking through the reserve feels like stepping into another world, where towering trees are covered in thick layers of moss and delicate orchids bloom in the misty air. As we hike along the well-maintained trails, the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves create a soothing backdrop to this incredible experience. This is a place where you can truly connect with nature and witness firsthand the wonders of Costa Rica's rich ecosystems. One of the highlights of the Monteverde Cloud Forest is the famous hanging bridges. Walking high above the forest canopy gives us a completely different perspective of this ecosystem. The bridges sway gently as we walk, adding an element of adventure. As we cross, we're lucky enough to spot some of Monteverde's famous wildlife, colorful toucans, howler monkeys, and even a sloth lazily hanging from a tree branch. The bird watching here is phenomenal, with over 400 species of birds calling this forest home. Continuing further up the trail, we reach the top of a mountain where the view is simply breathtaking. We are quite literally walking through clouds. The mist rolling through the trees, combined with the light drizzle of rain, creates a magical. At the highest elevation in Monteverde, the Cloud Forest viewpoint offers a breathtaking panorama that feels like standing on the edge of the world. A cool mist drapes over the landscape as clouds weave through lush coffee trees, their dark green leaves glistening in the moisture. The crisp air carries the scent of damp earth and fresh foliage, immersing us in nature's purest essence. Below, rolling hills stretch endlessly, their dense canopy merging with the sky in a mesmerizing greenery. Standing here, enveloped by shifting clouds and the serene beauty of Monteverde, we feel a profound connection to the world's natural wonders. It's a moment of peace and reflection, a reminder of the rare and delicate ecosystems that thrive in such untouched splendor. The Cloud Forest viewpoint isn't just a destination, it's an encounter with the extraordinary, a place where nature's majesty leaves us in awe and appreciation. This is truly one of the most beautiful places in Costa Rica. Monteverde has been an absolute dream, an incredible mix of adventure, nature, and breathtaking scenery. Must-do zipline experience. Soaring through the Monteverde Cloud Forest at Salvatore Park was an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Suspended high above the lush green canopy, I felt the thrill of gliding across ziplines as misty clouds swirled around me. Each zipline offered a new perspective of the breathtaking landscape, but the final stretch, a Superman-style flight, was truly unforgettable. Flying face down over an endless sea of trees, with the wind rushing past, felt like a dream. After an adrenaline-filled day of adventure, we ended the evening with a delicious meal at Chef Indian restaurant. The rich aromas of spices filled the air as we indulged in flavorful curries, warm naan, and perfectly spiced dishes. If you ever find yourself in Costa Rica, this destination should be at the top of your list. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Naimesh Explores for more amazing travel content. See you in the next adventure.